With spring just around the corner, many homeowners are gearing up for a season of DIY projects. Lighter evenings and warmer weather make it the perfect time to tackle repairs and home improvements. But before you pick up that toolbox, there's a warning you need to hear. Dodgy DIY could end up costing you thousands. Home insurance experts at quotezone.co.uk are reminding homeowners that taking on major jobs yourself or hiring unqualified tradespeople could actually invalidate your home insurance. If damage is traced back to poor workmanship or undisclosed renovations, insurers may refuse to pay out on future claims. A recent survey found that 80% of people would try a DIY job before calling in a professional, and 10% would even attempt a full kitchen or bathroom renovation themselves. The main reason? Cost. 40% say hiring a tradesperson is just too expensive, while a third admit they don't know who to trust. But here's the catch. Most home insurance policies specifically exclude damage caused by faulty or unprofessional work. That means if you botch a plumbing job or install electrics incorrectly, you could be left footing the bill for repairs. Even accidental damage cover has its limits and usually won't protect you if the root cause is poor workmanship. Major jobs like rewiring, plumbing, or structural changes should always be handled by qualified professionals and declared to your insurer. Failing to do so could see your policy voided entirely. So before you start your next DIY project, make sure you know the risks. Saving money now could cost you much more in the long run.
Quote Zone Insurance Comparison. Find a better